Hey! Good morning world. I want to show you my office for the day, which is really silly. So the problem with the laptop is it's really bad for posture. So I've got to raise it up, which I'm doing with some books. The other problem with being a media person is invariably I've got a whole bunch of other things that I need to have plugged in, like hard drives, more hard drives, more hard drives, keyboard because now I can't reach the laptop. Oh look, another hard drive, which I'm achieving with this hub because I haven't got enough USB ports. It's just a mess. I really need a proper office. Okay, so some years ago I picked up Speedcubing from a good friend of mine, Ed, who I hope you're going to meet someday on this vlog. I really got into it. I spent probably about 3 years practicing every day, and I got my record time down to 18 seconds, 17.9, something like that, and my average was just over 25, which sounds impressive, but in the world of speedcubing is actually not that good. Since then I haven't really practiced, I've forgotten a lot, and so my average now is probably high 30s, low 40s if I'm lucky. And yeah, I haven't set a record since the first record, which makes sense. This cube is not a great cube. It is an actual Rubik's cube, but funnily enough, Rubik's cubes are not the best Rubik's cubes. Go figure. The cheap ones from Korea are much better. I'm still going to use this one to practice. Today I want to practice some of my F2L, which is first 2 layers. So you're not ever going to really see me solving the final layer. Maybe I'll do it once or twice just for kicks. But I'm going to work on this because this is where I can gain a lot of speed quite quickly. It's just getting my mind working right. So I'm going to do that and see how it goes. I said I was only going to do F2L, but that F2L went really well, so I had to finish it. Anyway, let's carry on. I'm headed out to go run some errands. And I thought I would take this opportunity to update you guys a little bit on the grander scheme of my life plans. I am video editing, I am going to be taking up photography. Well, I already take photos, but now I'm going to try and take photos for money. And where possible, I'm still going to record people because I really like to do that. Time to start doing the things that I want to do and pouring my creative energies into my own things and not someone else's thing. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Yeah. And we're off. Traffic. Toy guy.
Oh, here's iBear. It's very fashionable.
Yes. Oh wow, those are very yellow. So don't stay on very well.
Okay.
Those aviators are the best bet, but now I don't know where they are. Ah, I got
Found them?
Yeah. Okay, this one. I think I should just get contact lenses.
So you're gonna wear women's sunglasses?
No, it's not that I don't have to wear women's sunglasses in the car.
But you have those, so what's the issue?
Because I still don't like having to put glasses on top of glasses.
Yeah, I guess. But you weren't into the whole contact lenses idea.
Yeah, look, I'm still not stoked about having to stick my finger in my eye, but when you're driving in the sun the whole time.
You'd look weird without glasses.
No, I was thinking about it. I would get frames that have nothing, like have no prescription in them, and I would wear those when I'm not wearing sunglasses. Because yes, I do think I look weird without glasses. I can't stop yawning. Oh gosh. I've lost count of how many times I've yawned. You look like you're having a blast. Like a sand blast.